Welcome to ICT Connect 2012. I'm at TEXPO Stand, and we got one of our partners from Commtel, Mr. Faisal. He's the CEO of Commtel. We would like to have a quick chat with him and see how Commtel is working in terms of the future of mobile applications, plus the partnership with TEXPO Global, and in general about this ICT. Hi Asher, how are you doing?
Hi Sulman.
Nice meeting you. Asher, just a quick word about how do you find this ICT exhibition in general?
I think exhibitions are always important to actually showcase what projects you are doing. Similarly, ICT is a very old exhibition in this country, and it gets lots of attraction from the government sector. You see lots of ministers and different provincial governments participating in this exhibition. So I think it's an excellent exhibition in terms of having the right crowd for the right purpose.
Yeah. And could you just enlighten some of the systems or the applications as far as Commtel is concerned? What sort of mobile applications? Because you had a presentation today as well. It was highlighting the future of mobile applications.
Absolutely.
So could you just explain it a bit more?
Actually, if you look at the mobile growth, the application growth, it's humongous. It's known as data explosion globally. So what we are doing is we are actually trying to work on a very niche sector, which is the enterprise sector. We have different verticals in the enterprise sector. Those verticals include your telcos.
Right.
We have very specialized solutions for telcos, which includes payment gateways, access to different B2C applications, which telcos can utilize for their application. Similarly, for enterprise, we have other solutions which actually drive or bring efficiency to the HR within the organization. Those solutions would be something like if you want to actually mobilize your workflow on the mobile, you want to have approval process or any other processes which would actually accelerate the business decision. That's what we are focused on.
Okay.
Coming to the customized solutions, we're working with different government sector. For example, we're working with Dubai Police on some applications where they are doing some messages to their consumers. So typically we're doing telco grade solutions, there's enterprise, and there are solutions which are adhering to the customized requirements in the industry.
And now coming back to being partner with TEXPO Global, how you've experienced so far with the TEXPO?
TEXPO, we have been working with TEXPO for almost over a year now. It has been a good experience where we have tried to build synergies. We have partnered with TEXPO in Dubai, where we are pushing our mobile applications through TEXPO platform. Similarly, what we're doing is we're bringing in the expertise which TEXPO has in terms of the Microsoft resources and the Microsoft SharePoint projects which we have done. They're very niche, along with the data center expertise which we're trying to bring in Pakistan. So it's a two-way partnership where we are trying to look at the expertise or the niche which each company has, and we're trying to utilize the best out of that.
Now, I'm sure you're fully aware, being partner for about 1 year now, and TEXPO is trying to spread its wings all over the world, and not only from the Middle East part, but also in the other continents as well. And I'm sure Commtel and TEXPO will join hands together for a long-term future relationship. So far, whatever the projects that we have done, whether it's in Middle East or other parts of the world, the standards that you have seen and the collaboration with other partners like Penduit and other service providers, how would you compare with the international market that you have already explored and seen, and you've worked with some other partners as well? So how do you compare TEXPO Global with other international standards?
I think if you look at TEXPO in particular, I think the team is really energetic. They have a niche in themselves. The delivery of the proposals has been excellent. I mean, we were amazed how detailed documentation TEXPO does in terms of submitting the RFPs and the proposals. That tells you about the company, that they're very professional in terms of their ethics, their work, and all that. We find TEXPO as a growing company, and we see a bright future for TEXPO in the market.
Okay. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
It's really nice meeting you, and have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.